Now if I go to blog and type here something, let's say lorem, and hit enter, you can see the search result page looks like this. And now we are gonna work in search result page. And here you can see, if I type here search, and you can see the search result page is here. Remove the header from here and also remove the footer. You can also remove everything here. Start from blank and type here header. Okay, not page header, it should be primary header. So primary header, and type here primary footer. And you can change the search result page. Let's add paragraph. This is added at the bottom area. Let's add something, drag this in the middle of this page, and now I'm gonna click save changes and go to blog and copy the blog style from here. I'd like to copy the group, copy, and then again type here search, not all archive, it should be search result. Add it here. Before adding, let's add a cover or page header, and the title should be search result, but I'll change it later on. Let's add paragraph again, and then add here or paste our blog that I have copied. Click save change and reload the search result page. Here you can see the search result page looks like this. Right? So let's change the title and detach this one and add a title here, or just a heading. Click here and type here search result. And here let's make it center, make it H1, and type here search, and you can see here the search result title as well. Let's use this one and see the difference. So here is search result I have added, and here is search for lorry. So we are gonna use this one basically. Let's make it center and remove this one. So you can create your own search result page, and you can create any kind of a style. If you do not want to use sidebar for search result page, you can simply navigate here and remove this column. Even though you can simply drag this into group area or inside column area. Okay, let's make it here. Let's remove the column, it's not necessary. Click save change and view the search result page. It looks like this. So literally you can do whatever you want here. There is no limitation, and if you want you can add any kind of information. I hope you understand. After watching this video you will have a solid understand overall the search results and everything. Let's change the query column template here. Let's make it 2 column, or let's make it 3 column basically, and change the layout. that's it. And let's make or reduce 2 more posts from here. This is not here, I was working here. Increase 1.